Today we're making vegetable soup with dumplings. We have 2 pounds of cassava, 2 pounds of arroz, and 1.5 pounds of sweet potato, 1 cup of carrots sliced, 1 cup of celery sliced, and 1 cup of bell peppers sliced, 2 cloves of garlic, and a Scotch bonnet pepper. We have a teaspoon of salt and half an onion chopped. So we have 12 cups of water here, and we're gonna add cassava, celery, carrots, and sweet bell peppers. We're gonna put the garlic and the onion, pepper in half, and the salt, and let it boil. The cassava has been boiling for 5 minutes, and we're gonna add the arroz and the sweet potato. Okay, so we're gonna make dumplings for the soup, and we have 1.5 cups of flour and a 1/2 cup of cornmeal. We're gonna put that in there. We have 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We have 1 cup of coconut milk here, and we're just gonna add it gradually. Use 3/4 cups of coconut water for the flour, and we're just gonna cover it and let it rest. So we're gonna make the dumplings for the soup. We're gonna add the dumplings. 3 tablespoons of ketchup to the soup, and we're gonna add golden ray butter. Alright, so it's been cooking for an hour and it's done.